I have problem in my phone. Always I cannot make complete recording and continue. I don't know. This is the aquarium in Dubai, as I said. There is many type of fish. These fish you will never see anywhere else. It is this companion. I visited many zoo or many aquarium around the world. I didn't find this fish. This glass is maybe it is 50 meters long and about 15 meters high. This wall, it is made of the glass. The glass is 30 centimeters or 10, more than 10 inches, maybe 15 inches, just only width. And imagine that means the building between those panels of the glass to be one piece. Yes. Okay. This is my convenient tour of Dubai. This is Diab and this is Abdel Basit. They are coming and making photos for some drawing. Look, imagine there is some fish here around and they are eating it. Here small fish. There is shark up and there is many types. Okay, that is Dubai. We are today in 6th of February 2009. Okay, good luck.